wait. First, we have to check out this texture. Check out the texture of this foaming sugar scrub. It is such a beautiful, soft texture, and I can't wait to show you how to make this yourself. Let's get right into it. So when it comes to making your foaming sugar scrub, you really want to make sure that it's going to be a really soft, buttery consistency that's easy to blend onto your skin. What's really great about this sugar scrub is that it's also cleansing.
Oh my God! Wow!
So you have a 2-in-1 when it comes to this product, and I love a foaming sugar scrub. When it comes to this foaming sugar scrub, you want to start off with your water phase. And in your water phase, you're going to have sodium cocoyl isethionate, which is going to be also known as SCI for short. So you can also look that up when you're getting ready to purchase. It's going to be a really light cleansing powder. You want to make sure that you are wearing a mask when it comes to this stage because you don't want to inhale this product. So you're going to start off with your SCI at 20% of the formula, and you're going to take SCI and you're going to add in your distilled water in at 10%. Then you're going to need Cocamidopropyl Betaine, and this is going to be another cleansing property of this product. This is a lot of times used in your shampoos. This is used in your hand washes, face washes, and so you want to use this to get more of that foaming aspect for this product and that more cleansing aspect for this as well. And you're going to be using Cocamidopropyl Betaine at 12% of the overall formula. Then you're going to have glycerin. Now glycerin is always a really great ingredient when it comes to your water-based products because it also helps to take the moisture from the air and bring it into your skin. Glycerin can also be a very sticky product, so I don't use too much of this inside of the formula. This is only going to be in at 3%, but it does add in a lot more moisture aspect into the product, but it won't leave it being too sticky. Now, when it comes to your water phase, you're going to take all of these ingredients and you're going to mix these together in a heat-safe bowl. You're going to add that to your double boiler. But before we do that, we're going to go into our heat phase. Now, for our heat phase, we're going to start with unrefined coconut oil. This is going to bring a little bit more of a firmness to the product and also add in a lot more moisturization. And a lot of times with foaming scrubs or with scrubs in general, you can kind of have the cleansing aspect, but it will take away, moisture from your skin, leaving you feeling really dry after rinsing it off. So adding in some more oil and butters into this formula will really help to add in a lot more moisture. But for this, we're going to be adding in coconut oil, and this is going to be in at 12% of the formula. Then we're going to add in Emulsifying Wax BTMS 25. Now with this, I'm adding this in for more of a conditioning aspect as well. Again, wanting you to have more moisture here so that your skin doesn't feel so dry and that it's being stripped when you're using this sugar scrub. Emulsifying Wax BTMS 25 can be used at 5% in this formula. Then we're going to have stearic acid. Now with stearic acid, this is a really great ingredient because it's going to add in a thickening quality to this product and it's going to help stabilize the product as well. Now that we have our water phase and our oil phase in separate heat-safe bowls, we're going to go ahead and add these to a double boiler. You want them both to melt down, and as you allow the water mixture to melt down, you're going to notice that it starts to soften a little bit and your oil phase should melt down completely. And you're going to add your oil phase into the water phase. And when you do this, you're going to want to stir immediately. And you want to consistently stir this product, and you want to make sure that everything is mixed in together. As you do this, you're going to realize that you're going to get like a really thick consistency. It's going to be a bit soft and you'll be able to rub it onto your skin nicely. It's not going to have a really fluffy consistency to it. So this is where you're going to actually be able to whisk this product together. To take your hand mixer and you're going to blend this mixture together, and you're going to get a really nice fluffy consistency here, and it's going to be more of like a butter-like consistency. Here is where you're going to add in your preservative at 1%, and then you can also add in your fragrance if you are using any. So this is where you're going to add in your exfoliant. Now here we're going to be using sugar as the #1 exfoliant for this product. We're only going to be putting this in at 30%. Now that we've added in our sugar, you're still gonna get that nice fluffy consistency that you're normally used to when it comes to a foaming sugar scrub, and it kind of has like a body butter consistency to it as well. And this is a really soft foaming sugar scrub. It foams up really nicely, and it really does feel really cleansing on the skin. It's not too rough on your skin, and it doesn't strip away any oils that you have naturally on your skin, so your skin still feels very soft, and that is really due to adding in your oils and this stearic acid that really helps to allow for you to have a lot more moisture within this product, and for it to not to feel as stripping. So this is really great because you kind of have a 2-in-1 product where you're getting your cleansing aspect, but you're also getting a lot of moisturization. So this is going to be really great for you to sell to your customers and add this onto a bundle with your oils or with a body butter or even with your lotion, because this will pair really great with all 3 of those. I really enjoyed this formula because it's really soft and very cleansing on the skin. You have to let me know down below, do you prefer to have a foaming sugar scrub or do you like body butter based sugar scrubs? Now, if you haven't tried a body butter based sugar scrub, watch this video here where I go in depth on how to make a body butter based sugar scrub that's very moisturizing and soft on the skin, and I'll catch you in the next one.